Hi, what do you think of your crib? She's like, it's fine if you don't leave me in here for 10 minutes, Mama. Why you leave me? Why you leave me? Hi. You better get used to this crib, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You better get used to this crib. It's such a beautiful bed. Mama wishes she had such a beautiful bed. Yeah. Oh. 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 That's because of the man. She's looking for me. Oh, Mama's here. Mama's right here. I didn't leave you. Right here. It's right here. No fussies. No fussies. Say, Jocelyn. No fussies. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hi.